Hi there, my name is Daniel. I'm from Oakville, and I was asked to review the GermGuardian 4-in-1 air purifying system. And I've got nothing but praise for this thing. It's done very well, as you can probably see. I'm in my home office, and there's some construction going on here. There's some dust and things in the air that are, sort of making a mess of the place. And this little device has been great in sort of reducing the exposure. What I really like about it in the lowest setting, and we can turn on the UV, it's very quiet. And I can be on a video call with clients, and there's no issue in having this running in the background. It's not distracting at all. And then if I want to pick things up to deal with the excess dust that's floating through the air, that's up on level 3. It does a great job, and if I'm out of the room and come back in after about a half hour or lunch break or something like that, it's done a great job in cleaning things out. So I hope you heard all of that, but yeah, nothing but high praise. I definitely recommend this product. It's been great and definitely reduces smell and dust in the air, so wonderful.